These are just a really simple inlay. So what we're gonna do is lay them in here. We're gonna do kind of a box, so we're gonna miter them as well. So this is 1/32 of an inch thick. So that's what I've got my plunge router set to, so I know that I'm not gonna go past or too deep. Let me go ahead and get these clamped up, and then we'll start routing these out. So now that I've got these routed out, I need to do just a little bit of chisel work in the corners, just take a little bit off. I've got a little test piece that I can just kind of fit along as I am chiseling these out, and just make sure that we've got a good fit here. So I'll get measurements on my inlay strips, and then we'll glue these on. All right, so now I've got all my inlay strips cut. I'm just gonna do a thin strip of glue, rub it in with my finger, place them in there. I've got a mallet. Sometimes you might wanna just give it a light tap just so it kind of seats down in that. So let's go ahead and throw some glue in this.